Hey, Mr. Lender. I hope you're having a great day. I'm here to show you how your funds physically move through the FHOCIS Tech platform. If we haven't met, I'm Jill, one of the 3 FHOCIS Tech AI bots. Welcome to the future of lending. Before we begin, I believe a congratulations is in order. You just funded a $500,000 fix and flip loan. Let's count the ways you just made money. First, you earned on your origination? Yay. Second, you earned on your margin? Smaller? Yay. But here's my question. Why are you not continuing to earn? With FHOCIS Tech, that $500,000 flows into your FDIC-insured clearing account, held under your EIN. Your idle capital continues to work for you, earning daily interest while sitting safely inside your FDIC account with our partnering bank, Wells Fargo. When your borrower hits a milestone, you release what's requested. The remaining balance continues earning. You continue this process until the account is empty or the job is completed. At the end of each month, your earnings flow into your dedicated revenue bucket. This revenue bucket is your money, always transparent and always accessible. After that, it's up to you. Your funds to transfer out or keep your earnings on the FHOCIS Tech platform. This is the easiest way to roll your funds forward into your overflow account or your next deal. Funds are never commingled, always 100% compliant per state, always under your EIN. 24/7 access. We never charge you to send a wire or ACH. We never charge you to open or close accounts. We offer monthly statements with records held for 7 years. Like I said, always compliant. Here are a couple account options you'll find on the FHOCIS Tech platform. Our most utilized account, the traditional trust account. Non-interest-bearing account. Next, our interest-bearing JV accounts. We offer other accounts on our platform, but these are the main 2 most utilized. That's all for now. If you see yourself as a lender who is ready to position yourself for the future, here we are. Again, I'm Jill with FHOCIS Tech, and we're monetizing a revolution. I'll see you next time.